The SEA Games-ASEAN Para Games 2023 in ASEAN countries have closed in Laos. The 2023 SEA Games-ASEAN Para Games in Southeast Asia officially closed successfully in Vientiane, Laos on the morning of April 25, 2023. The morning ceremony was attended by Hor Saran, Secretary of State of the Ministry of Tourism and Special Envoy of Kamsak, Hiets Phangthong Siphandone, Governor of Vientiane Capital and Vice President of the National Olympic Committee of Laos, Hithong Sokhanthiri, Ambassador of Cambodia to Cambodia. Lao People's Democratic Republic, Hialongse Sanalath, Minister of the Prime Minister's Office and Minister of the Office of the Council of Ministers, Lok Chumtev Kanthali Siraphonghane, Deputy Minister of Education and Sports and Chair of the Lao Paralympic Committee, and many other distinguished guests. Speaking before the start of the parade, Hithong Sokhanthiri, Cambodian ambassador to Laos, welcomed and thanked the government of Laos, the Lao Olympic Committee, and the Lao Paralympic Committee for their active support in making this event happen. She added that today's torchlight procession also reflects the relationship between the two countries. The torch relay started with a distance of about 5.5 kilometers from the embassy of the Kingdom of Cambodia in the Lao People's Democratic Republic and ended at the Great Pat Luang Resort with officials, athletes, and more than 1,500 people along the road. Laos is the last country in Southeast Asia to host the 2023 SEA Games-ASEAN Paralympic Games after the launch in Vietnam, the Philippines, Indonesia, East Timor, Malaysia and Singapore. Thailand, Myanmar and Laos, while Brunei failed to host the event due to the country's fasting month of Ramadan. Priya Aki Che Kala will be marching to the Kingdom of Cambodia on April 27 at the Trapeang Kriel Nong Nhat Kien International Border Checkpoint in Stung Treng Province before continuing to run through some provinces in the kingdom.